Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to create a resource group manually from the Azure website. So as you can see, this is the main page or landing page. And you can see here, you can see create resource. You can see here, create a resource group. And now in this lesson, I will try to show you how to create resource groups. One resource group, let's see, manually with this interactive website. And you can click here, create, select the subscription. Sometimes you have many subscriptions, but in my case, it's only one. Now the resource group, you can select, let's see, resource group, uh, manually 01. Sometimes the name is already taken. You need to find the name. And this is the location of this work group. Now you can see tags. I don't need any tags right now. And this is the create, review and create. Now I need to create. So let me show you. If I click here, create. So what was, yeah, this one is already created here, as you can see here. That's it, how to create this in the via Azure pipeline, via Azure website. In the next lesson, I will try to show you how to create this resource group via CLI with the command lines and also with the Python codes SDK. And the next one is with via pipelines. Thanks for watching.